Alrighty, welcome back, guys. Today we got an interesting project. Me and Natalie's daddy, Mr. Lars, we're gonna be changing our top on the awning. If you like me, that you don't like waiting months to get your RV back from the shop and you like to do things yourself, this is a cool little project. This is going to be a learning experience for me as well. I've never done this, but we're going to tackle it right now. What I ended up doing was, let me see. I bought some new fabric from RecPro, recpro.com, and I have a 14-foot awning. So what we're going to do is we're going to read the instructions. It says to do all kind of things, but I'm not quite sure that's the best option. But I'm gonna see if we can make it a little bit easier. Anyway, plan of attack is we're gonna roll this up. After we roll it up, we're gonna start taking all the stuff apart. So let's get at it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a utility knife and we're gonna cut this fabric right here, because this splits our awning from our valance. So we're just gonna take this. Go ahead, bro. Yeah, that's what. Okay. Well, there's a little hole. I'm gonna take this little bitty it's like a needle.
Come out a little more.
Yeah, come out a little bit more. Oh. A little bit more, just hold on. Okay, you can take that rod down. So as you can see, I stabbed this pick through here, and it's in this hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put some tape right here to hold it, because I don't want that to come out. You want some gloves?
No, I'm good.
I'm gonna put some gloves on just in case that might be hot.
Yeah, it's warm. I don't know if I got gloves. Tell me when. Ready? I'm out.
Okay, now look.
Yeah, don't hit the latch.
So let me show you what we got right now. We went ahead and we unhooked it. As you can see at the top, we just put the arms back and it's hanging right now. We just have it hanging. So what I'm gonna do right now is I left this end pinned and I put a little rag over it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come drill out.
Not catching very good.
Yeah, we got it. That's good right now.
Don't hit you in the head.
We come drill out these rivets. There's 3 of them, and then once we do that, we'll be able to mark this edge and this edge, because this is where the valance is gonna go. So yeah, let's look at it a little bit. Take this and unwind the spring that's up in here.
Hope it ain't too strong. Don't get that fancy thing.
Hold it. So this is one.
Whoop. Just don't drill my hand. Okay, good.
Okay.
You got it.
All right. So now that we got that part done, I marked it. That's the awning, and then this is the valance slot. And this thing was like this, just like that. So I just made a mark on that hole, and it's unwound. Now this, that's the rivet. Yeah. Then they're gonna come out just like that. Let me know when you're ready. You ready? I'm just gonna put this in the grass.
That's light.
Thank you.
You want to slide that thing off from that? Want to slide it off?
Now that we took that all out, we're gonna clean the track out. I have some WD-40 silicone spray. So we're gonna spray the tracks and we're gonna spray the tube and all to try to get that done. You come film. So here's the awning track, and then that's the valance track. So awning.
Run the water out of it. Yeah, get your spring.
It's hot today. Today is super hot. This morning it started out at 75 degrees whenever we woke up.
It's 95 right now.
Yeah. Problem that we got is we gotta go over the mirror.
Ready?
Yeah.
This here's gotta be started.
Wait, don't pull too hard. I'm not pulling. Alright, so right now what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna pick up this tube and we're gonna slide it in the same way we slid it out. This might be a little hard at first, but we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna line these up. This is the awning. That's the valance. It seems to be going in fairly easy.
I'm gonna guide the back. Gotta come up on it, I think. There you go. That's what it's supposed to do.
So far, what we got, about 2 hours of work in here. Yep, and we got it hanging. What we're gonna do next is we're just gonna center it up on here, and on that one we're just gonna center it up right now. So this is 3 inches. Here's 2 3/4. Watch yourself. Yeah. Don't roll no more.
Yeah. Is that yours in?
Got mine in. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this pin. Hopefully we can go there and screw those.
There she is. That's it, boy.
That's it.
See tu?
Thanks for watching.
See tu?
Alrighty. What we have here is Mr. Raccoon. Hey, Mr. Raccoon. Hey, buddy. Like clockwork. So anywho, what we have here is a beautiful sunset. Golly, just amazing. When we set up in the driveway, I put that new canopy on today, me and Mr. Lars, Natalie's daddy. Man, it took about 2.5 hours altogether, I see. But it was well worth it. I mean, I'm very satisfied with it. I'll leave a link down below of where I purchased it from. And hopefully this video might change your mind about trying to do something on your own. I mean, you could do anything you really want to do if you put your mind to it. Look, I did it, and I'm not a RV expert or nothing. This is the first one I ever did. I've never done this before, and we knocked it out. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. You know what to do. Peace.